Hi, I'm Robert, and today's topic of the video is how to get concert camera gear without breaking the bank. One of my pet peeves is people telling you that you need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in order to get good quality concert camera gear. And that's just not the truth. The truth is you don't have to spend a lot of money to get started. For example, today's first specimen, a Nikon D200. This camera you can find used at reputable dealers for $109 all over the place. That's just the body. And then the lens that's on it is the 18-70 3.5, 4.5, and it runs roughly about $150 used. If you feel uncomfortable with buying it used, put an extended warranty on it for a year, maybe two. It's not that much, probably less than $20, $30. Still too expensive for you? Okay, we'll go a little less money. Here you go. Here's a Nikon D70S. And this Nikon D70S looks pretty professional. It is an older camera, but good examples of it can be found for roughly about $50 at reputable dealers. $50. Same lens I'd recommend putting on it, the 18-70 3545, still $150 to $200. Makes a good, powerful combination for starting out concert photographers. The 18-70 3545 is our standard go-to wide-angle lens when we're shooting more than, say, one or two musicians on the stage at a time. That's the main use for it. This photograph is of Susie Taylor at the Wiley Opry. It was taken with the D70S, which is 6 megapixels, and the 18-70 3545 lens. As you can see, it gives plenty of room so that you can get multiple musicians in the same shot. I think it came out pretty well. This photograph came out of the D7100 with the 18-70 3545. It's of Rosie Flores and the Talisman at Louisville, the Western days. And it's not too bad either. It's used as our backup camera and backup lens for a lot of things. The lens we use the most often is this little jewel. This is a very professional Nikon 80-200 f2.8, consistently f2.8 all the way across from 80 to 200. If you go out and you look, people will want you to buy the 70-200 2.8. This lens refurbished from a reputable dealer will cost you 1/6 the price, under $400 for this lens. So we'd highly recommend this lens. Still feel uncomfortable? I put a $79 warranty for 3 years on this puppy before I bought it, and it's my go-to lens. It's built like a tank. It's very professional. It's very, very sharp, and it's a monster. So let me see, $400? $2,400? Yeah, I think I like the $400. Oh, and by the way, on that 80-200 2.8, it comes with a nice leather case, but this is a beauty. Look at this thing. Nice leather case, heavy, solid. So I use it for storage. But the one thing that got me is it didn't come with a sunshade. So I did some looking around and I bought two of them. They're $45 a piece. Well, I bought two from Robert's Cameras, $10 a piece. Can't beat that. Pays to shop around. Now this is one of the strangest little things. Everybody's heard of the Nifty 50. Well, that's what this is. This is a Nikon 50mm f1.8D lens known as the Nifty 50. It's been around forever. It's very solid metal lens mount, and going, well, sort of new is they're about $220. I bought this one refurbished from, of all places, Walmart. I bought it online from Walmart. I don't know where one of their third-party dealers, but it was refurbished. I applied for it with a Walmart credit card. Guess what? I got it for $99, and then Walmart gave me a $35 discount for using it for the first time. This lens cost me $65, And if you want something on an APS-C camera that's going to give you portrait type photos, it's sharp as a tack, it works great, and it's cheap. Now, most of the stuff that I've gone over today has been Nikon. I'm a Nikon shooter, but I'm sure Canon, Sony, and other manufacturers, I know Canon does, has similar kind of systems of refurbishment, used equipment. Most major photo retailers have some kind of used photo gear, and there's plenty of them online. So go ahead and look. The better ones, B&H, Adorama, KEH, a lot of those places will also offer extended warranties. They have financing, where in a lot of places when you go to a camera store, unfortunately, a local camera store won't be able to finance it. I know some of the things I've financed, if it's over $500, I get no interest for 12 months. Some of them even give you a little different. One of the big things to look for if you're a student, or a work for a college or high school, some of these camera dealers offer what's called an educational discount, and you can save a ton of money. I bought batteries for my Nikons for half price on some of these educational discounts. So look and see what kind of discounts you can find that are available to you before you purchase. But you can get into photography gear for concerts for well under $1,000. You could buy two of those D200 bodies, a 80 to 200 and a 50 1/8, and probably the 80 to the 18 to 70, all for less than $1,000. So don't let people fool you. Don't believe that you have to spend a whole lot of money to become a concert photographer, because if you're starting out, you don't have to. Say hi, Charles. Hi, Charles. Anyway, thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe. We appreciate it. All the prices I'm talking about today is January 8th, 2023, and I'm pulling a lot of the prices directly right offline, looking at my computer in front of me. The D200 I bought, how long ago did I buy that D200? 2-3 years ago?
2 years.
2 years ago. I paid $109.99, put a extended warranty on it, so that's going net price off of that. Granted, the camera is probably now 10-12 years old, but still, if you buy it with low mileage, it still works real well. But those are the prices as of today.